Hello friends, the topic of today's lecture is emerging business opportunities. Emerging business. An emerging business is a line of business formed around a new product or idea that is in the early stages of development. It typically consists of just a few companies and is often centered around new technology. A business opportunity is defined as a packaged business investment allowing the buyer to begin a certain business. It is an opening in the environment that, when exploited, can create economic value. Exploiting an opportunity involves risk and resource commitment that makes it necessary to make informed decisions when committing to an opportunity. Emerging business opportunities. Emergence of new technologies led to the advent of whole new industries and the decline in the fortunes of some old ones. Proliferation of e-commerce, which is a product of the internet and telecommunication revolution, is challenging the good old brick and mortar retail stores. Growth in various industries is creating opportunities for auxiliary businesses such as suppliers and distributors. Let's take a look at the top industries that are predicted to provide potential business opportunities in the coming years. Various sectors related to emerging business opportunities in India are tourism, textile, automobile, software, engineering, food processing, organic farming, and biotechnology. The total earning from this sector in India stood at US $28.6 billion in 2018 and is targeted to reach $50 billion by 2022. It created 4.2 crore jobs in 2019 and which is 8.1% of total employment in the country. India's travel and tourism industry is becoming one profitable business, welcoming new and settled investors for creating their presence in the tourism industry. The expanding tourism industry is creating new business opportunities such as lodging, ride sharing, guided tours, luggage delivery service, eco and urban tourism, health tourism, souvenir shops, etc. Textile. The size of India's textile and apparel market is expected to reach $226 billion by 2023. It is growing at a compound annual growth rate of 8.7%. India is the second largest producer and exporter of cotton in the world at $6.3 billion. The textile industry is expected to attract investment of about $120 billion by 2024-25 and create about 35 million additional jobs. And in this process, exports are also expected to rise from current $39 billion to $300 billion by 2024-25. New business opportunities available in this area are cloth boutique stores, online portal for textile, garment clothing wholesale trading, kids wear manufacturing, spinning mills and textile industry. Automobile. India is expected to emerge as the world's third largest passenger vehicle market by 2021. Technological disruptions like electrification, shared mobility, connected vehicles, autonomous vehicles are the upcoming trends that will reshape the industry and will create opportunities for entrepreneurs to leverage India as a hub for low-cost, high-quality products. Software. The global information technology industry is on a pace to reach $5.2 trillion in 2020. There will be increasing opportunities for technology vendors and service providers to grow their businesses and for technology buyers to innovate and upgrade their infrastructure, software and services in areas like security, collaboration and commitment, end user hardware, server technology, networking and storage and backup. Engineering. The Indian engineering sector is divided into two major segments, heavy engineering and light engineering. The capital goods and engineering turnover in India reached 125.4 billion US dollars by 2017. Electric equipment market size is forecasted to reach 100 billion US dollars by year 2022. Accelerated economic reforms have created new opportunities in the capital goods sector, with new policies lowering barriers for domestic and foreign investment as well as for partnerships. Encouraging manufacturing of capital goods is a critical component of the Make in India program. Opportunities are available in the areas like environmental solutions, which is clean tech, building logistics, infrastructure, aerospace and defense, urbanization, power generation and distribution, food and agriculture infrastructure. Food processing. The Indian food processing market is expected to grow to 543 billion US dollars by 2020. Rising household incomes, urbanization, and the growth of organized retail are currently some of the major drivers of this market. India's food ecosystem offers huge opportunities for investments, with stimulating growth in the food retail sector, favorable economic policies, and attractive fiscal incentives. Major industries constituting the food processing industry are grains, sugar, edible oils, beverages, and dairy products. The key sub-segments of the food processing industry in India are dairy, fruits and vegetables, poultry and meat processing, fisheries, food retail. Organic farming. The scope of organic farming in India has been tremendously increasing. As per industry reports, India's organic food market, which currently sized at 6,000 crores, is anticipated to grow at a compound annual growth rate of over 25% during 2016 to 2021. New researches made in the field of agriculture making it more viable. Health consciousness is another important factor for huge demand for organic food, and people are ready to pay premium price as long as it is trusted organic product. Opportunities: organic produce farm, organic dairy farm, organic livestock farm, organic fish farm, organic grocery wholesaler, organic market, niche organic store, roadside farm stand, vermicompost, biofertilizers, biopesticides. Biotechnology. The recent development of biotechnology infrastructure and sound industry base in India offers a vast market development opportunity for biotech products. The India will reach 150 billion US dollars target by 2024-25. The sector is divided into 5 major segments: biopharma, bioservices, bioagri, bioindustrial, and bioinformatics. The biopharmaceutical sector accounts for the largest share of biotech industry, with a share of 55% of total revenues, followed by bioagri and bioservices. Opportunities: vaccine manufacturing, specialty medicine manufacturing, agri-clinic, biodiesel production, biofertilizers, biomanufacturing, biopesticide manufacturing, compost fertilizers, food processing, hybrid seeds, etc. These are the various future business trends or emerging business opportunities. Health food, fitness tech, home automation, cheap home solar energy, e-commerce niche stores, warehouse or inventory management for e-commerce, online medical supply and equipment provider, chatbots, box subscription services, last mile delivery solutions companies, compliances and regulatory management for e-commerce stores, TV mobile ad specialist company, biometric sensor company, rural drone delivery company, cyber attack prevention security company, peer-to-peer business lending, skyscraper greenhouses, intelligent automation, hybrid cloud computing, Internet of Things, blockchain, industrial robotics,